first question to ask is, why were we walking 4,000 kilometers? Right? It's what created the need for us to do this? And the reason is that all avenues of communication in India were shut. Every single avenue, no matter what we did, it was all shut. We spoke in Parliament, that's not televised. We go to the media, they don't pick up what we say. We even go with documents to the legal system, nothing happens. So, all our avenues were shut. And for a long time, we literally couldn't understand how to communicate. And then suddenly we hit upon the idea कि भाई अगर मीडिया आपको लोगों के पास नहीं ले जा रहा, इंस्टीट्यूशनल सिस्टम आपको लोगों के पास नहीं ले जा रहा, तो फिर डायरेक्टली चले जाओ. And then what better way to go directly than to literally go walking across the country? And so that's what we did. And I must tell you, in the beginning itself, I had a little bit of a knee problem. So 3-4 days into it, I was like, "Ye kya kar diya?" I was like, because you get up in the morning, I go running. And so you get up in the morning and you say, "Okay, I'm going to go run 10 kilometers. And they're like, "ठीक है." And then you get up in the morning and you say, "I've got to walk 4,000. It's a completely different paradigm. So there was moments of that, okay, this is quite a big thing. But it went surprisingly easy. It was not difficult at all. And it fundamentally changed the way I think about my work. I would say that it completely changed how I view politics, how I view our people, how I communicate with our people, how I listen to people, and not just me. There were many people involved in the yatra, and all of us. And to me, the most powerful thing that happened organically on its own, we didn't actually do it, it just happened, was that we introduced, certainly for the first time in India, possibly for the first time in many, many countries, the idea of love in politics. And this seems strange, it's a strange thing, because you look at the political discourse in most countries, and you will never find the word love in that discourse. It just doesn't exist anywhere. You'll find hatred, you'll find anger, you'll find unfairness, you'll find corruption, you'll find all these words. But you will never find the word love in the language. And the Bharat Jodo Yatra actually introduced that idea into the Indian political system. And it has amazed me how that idea has worked.